In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create timesheet reports in Jira. We will start right from the Jira dashboard. First, open Jira and go to the Apps menu. From there, select Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Marketplace area where you can browse and install add-ons that extend Jira's functionality. In the search bar, type Activitytimeline, then select Activitytimeline. Resource Capacity Planning, Time Tracking. This is the app we'll use to generate timesheet reports in a much more flexible and visual way. Once you are on the app page, click Try it for free. At this point, you may be asked to choose between the standard or advanced option. Pick the version that best matches your needs, then click Review. After that, select Start Free Trial to connect the app to your Jira environment. The installation can take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. When the setup is complete, you'll see the app listed under your Apps menu, which confirms it has been added successfully. Next, open the app from the Jira sidebar. Once you are inside, look for the Timesheets or Reports module and click into it. This is where the reporting process begins. Depending on your Jira setup, the layout may look slightly different. But the key area you need is the reporting section where timesheet data can be generated and reviewed. From here, select the project you want to report on, then click Proceed. The system will begin preparing the report data for that project. You will be able to see the progress as it loads, which is helpful if you are working with a larger project that contains more issues and log time entries. Wait until the progress reaches 100%. Then click Finish to open the completed report. Now that your report is ready, you can refine how the information is displayed. Use the built-in filters to group your data by project, epic, issue, or team. This is especially useful if you want to analyze time from different perspectives, such as team workload, project-level billing, or task-specific effort. You can also apply custom Jira filters if you need more specific reporting parameters, which gives you greater control over exactly what appears in the final view. Finally, review your timesheet data directly on the web dashboard, or export the report to Excel with a single click. Exporting is useful if you need to share the report with clients, use it for billing, or keep it for internal audits and record keeping. Thanks for watching.